Online book club. Work from home. Read and review books. Afrekete work from home jobs pronounced. Free Kee Tee online book club. https://onlinebookclub.org/job title. Read books. This is a remote work from home supplemental income opportunity. Getting paid to read books pays. Get a $10 welcome bonus, plus pay for reading and reviewing the book before we get started. What type of work from home job are you looking for? Put it in the comment section and AI will get started scouring the web for the perfect opportunity for you. Before we get started on our step-by-step review, let's get a little info on this company next. All about online book club according to iAsk.AI answer engine. Online book club. Org is a website that provides book reviews, author interviews, and discussion forums for book lovers. The website was founded in 2006 by Scott Hughes and has since grown to become one of the largest online book clubs in the world. One of the main features of onlinebookclub.org is its book review program. The website offers free books to its members in exchange for honest reviews. Members can choose from a wide variety of genres, including fiction, nonfiction, and poetry. The reviews are then posted on the website for other members to read and discuss. In addition to book reviews, onlinebookclub.org also features author interviews. These interviews provide insights into the writing process and allow readers to connect with their favorite authors on a more personal level. Onlinebookclub.org also has an active discussion forum where members can discuss books, writing, and other topics related to literature. The forum is a great place to connect with other book lovers and share recommendations. Overall, Online Book Club.org is a valuable resource for anyone who loves books. Whether you're looking for book reviews, author interviews, or just a place to connect with other readers, this website has something for everyone. Next. This email received March 18, 2023 regarding get paid $13 to buy, read, and honestly review a $3 top-rated book of your choice. It says the publisher reduced the price of these books to $2.99. Talking point while viewing this purchase receipt. The publisher reduced the book to $2.99. So as a purchasers, if you had to confirm you purchased this book, your documentation should show $2.99. It goes on to say that as a special offer you will get paid $13 to buy, read, next. And honestly review one of these books even if it's your first review. Let's briefly share our experience, so you will know what we're looking for in these correspondences. Afrekete Work at Home was approached to read this book for $13 pay. But, we were to purchase the book for $2.99. Once, we purchased the book, read the book, completed the review and submitted. We waited to get paid. 2 weeks went by and we received another offer to read another book, but had not been paid for the previous book. We sent an email stating no thanks, because we had not been paid for the first book. They sent back an email stating we had not submitted the receipts showing we paid for the book. Amazon offers a barcode showing payment, so we first submitted that barcode. It was not accepted. We then downloaded the actual receipt from Amazon, and it was rejected because the name on our billing is not the same name as our username. So, this is why we were not paid. So back to the email. This email is asking us to claim this offer now by completing the 2 steps below. Next. Step 1, finish signing up for the review team. Step 2, claim one of the books for review. We chose to purchase and read the Divine Messages of Hope from Around the World. Next. After you claim an opportunities with one of the links above the dashboard will guide you through the rest of the process. Next. So, let's go back to the initial sign-up where they offer between $5 and $60 per review to see if you are told that your username should be the same as your credit card billing name. Next. You will find a copy of our receipt along with some other correspondence from them. Receipt. Next. This number 6 visual is a copy of email which is offering another reading opportunity which pays $20. We responded on April 27, 2023 saying thank you, but we have still not been paid for the last reviews. Next. They send an email saying you can check the status of your previous review and payment on the History tab. Next. They send email saying the proof we submitted was rejected. This is not a purchase verification, which was the barcode that Amazon offers, so we then submitted the actual receipt from Amazon. Next. The next email says the proof you submitted was rejected because the purchase receipt image does not at least loosely match the reviewer's OBC username. Next. We send an email saying that when we registered to read books, the registration did not say we needed to use our billing account name as the username on their platform. Next. They say thank you for reaching out. It is required that your username, your Facebook name or your Amazon review display name matches. And as you will read, our response in a nutshell is that we should have known this beforehand. Let's see what other reviews show. These questions were answered by the company shortly after we completed the video. Therefore we have attached the responses here. Hi. And thank you for your response. You can check what your username at OBCIs from your user control panel. And I believe you can also edit it if you like. Maybe editing your username to match the name your Amazon receipts show would provide a solution to this problem? Here's the link to your user control panel. Please find answers to your other questions below. Greater than 1. Where do you think I got the Amazon receipt with the exact book greater than you asked me to order from? To the purchase verification process was created to catch scammers. Unfortunately, this is a serious problem and they are good at coming up with multiple ways in their attempts to cheat the system. The downside is that this also sometimes gives headache to honest people like you. 2. Why is it required that your username has to be the same as the greater than username from where you purchased your book? The purchase verification process was created to catch scammers. Unfortunately, scammers are a serious problem. The names need to match at least loosely for the verification purpose. 3. Why is this not shared with people before they make the purchase greater than and spend the time reading and reviewing these books? To this is a good point. This information could be shared more openly. I will make a suggestion to the management that this information be added to the preferences page. 4. Suppose I already had the required book or got someone to purchase greater than it for me. How does that affect the fact that I secured the book? I greater than read the book and I reviewed the book. Does payment depend on the greater than purchase of a book? Purchase verification is only effective for books under self-purchase format. But yes, if you cannot provide a receipt that fulfills the requirements, it will likely affect the payment. I hope this helps. If you have any further questions, please let me know. Thank you, and have a good day. Kee Tee Official Reviewer Representative.